What is the difference between is not distinct from and the equal sign? And it has to do with the null value handling in the SQL. And my name is Murian-Coush Addem, and I will show you around this topic. I have set up some database on my end here and using it in SQLite. And yeah, let's just show you my data. So department. Here, select everything from department. You see that here we have a null value. And the distinction between those two is all about the null value. So let's just try something. So where the dept ID is null. So you would expect, okay, you see it in this row, but you don't. Because this equal sign doesn't work with the null value. So you have to use is not distinct from in order to treat the null as an actual value, so it is actually seen by the system. So another thing where this is going to be important is some kind of the joining thing. So let's just consider again those tables here. So you have on the one hand you have this, and maybe can we show it in two parts, maybe not. Okay, then I will show it you in a different one. So we have then here employees, and select as well. So here we have some null value, and maybe we want to use this dept ID, which is occurring in both of the tables, dept ID and dept ID. Maybe we want to use it as a join condition. So joining in this case would be quite difficult because of the null value, but we can do it with the is not distinct from. So let's just consider the bad example first, which would be this one. Select the employee ID and the department name from the employees table, and then join on the department ID with an equal sign. So this will return nothing for the second row because it doesn't see the null. But if we now use is not distinct from, we can actually join this second thing, which we have seen because of the consideration of the null value as a real value and not as nothing in general. So yeah, thanks for the attention. Please do reach out to me if you have any questions about SQL or anything else, technical stuff. I am a professor, and you can ask me. Thank you. Bye.